Kimi Code can now turn a Markdown file into an artificial intelligence developer. Give it a name, a job, a system prompt, and a tool list. 3 files, and suddenly you have a team. The release is real. Kimi Code version 0.29 added Markdown agents, persistent system prompt overrides, and global tool controls. The tool list is enforced again before execution. But a job description is not a team. It does not decide who owns a file, how retries work, or what happens when one agent dies halfway through a change. So I gave both setups the same repository and the same feature. Build a release readiness audit, catch 4 security failures, expose a JSON command, preserve the old API, add tests, and document it. The unrestricted agent was messy. It rewrote tests, made bad assumptions, and the provider crashed while compacting the finished transcript. But the repository outcome was correct. The team should have won. The security agent found every planted risk before the builder touched code. The coordinator handed those requirements to a writer. Then the builder hit a provider compatibility failure during transcript compaction. The coordinator did what it was built to do. It launched another builder, then another. All 3 builders worked in the same repository. They read the same files again, rewrote the same audit module, and edited the same tests. The permission system allowed it because every builder was allowed to write. There were no Git conflict markers. That sounds good until you see why. The agents were not merging isolated branches. They were editing the same live files. The hidden grader was brutal. The one agent passed all 20 checks. The team repository passed 4. The security team passed 0 of the 4 security checks. The team also cost more. It used 1.8 times the total tokens, 2.4 times the tool calls, and took 2.5 times as long. One human intervention finally stopped the retry loop. This failure pattern is not surprising. Engineers at Anthropic report that multi-agent systems use about 15 times more tokens than ordinary chat. They also say most coding tasks have fewer truly parallel subtasks than research. But there is a positive counterexample. Researchers improved Python library task accuracy by 14.3 percentage points with centralized planning, isolated workspaces, branch and merge, and executable test gates. And passing tests are not the whole story. Microsoft found that 10.7% of passing software agent traces in its evaluated subset were lucky passes, with blind retries, regressions, missing verification, or disordered work. So use Markdown agents where boundaries are clean. Make the reviewer read only. Make security read only. Give documentation its own surface. For one tightly coupled feature, keep one writer. If you need parallel builders, Markdown is only the start. Give each one an isolated worktree, declare file ownership, cap retries, and merge only through an executable test gate. The real verdict is simple. 3 Markdown files can define 3 artificial intelligence developers. They do not create a software team. The team is the orchestration, isolation, and verification you build around them. The 3 agent files, fixture, hidden grader, raw traces, and results are in the full kit. Run it against your own model and your own repository. Build, ship, scale.